Hello everyone, welcome to Team LS channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to fix Fortnite error code LS-0013. So before starting video, if you are new in this channel, then hit subscribe button and also not forget to like the video. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So to fix this issue, first of all, download this file from the link given in description and just follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. So after completing all these steps, now just click on verify and verify Fortnite. So hope so this will fix your issue. Just don't forget to subscribe to MWS channel and also like the video. Thank you for watching.